Okay, we are at 2423 West York Street. And this is a garage space, commercially zoned. It's industrial commercial mixed use property. And it has not been used in a little bit of time, almost a year. It's a great space. Needs work. Here's our little office entry area, our little lobby area that they had. See the nice high ceilings. This lets a little bit of light into the building too. We have no power, so that's hence why it's a little dark. I'll try to brighten it up in editing. So here we have a space. Garage door definitely needs some help there. I'm gonna get some measurements of that as well. With very high ceilings. So it does have electricity in the space. There's no running water, and I don't believe there's any septic line, though those would be accessible from the outside. Also does not have gas service or heat. So we have, get up here, really great signage on the brick wall. Give you these big steel I-beams going across and up. It's wood joists as well in the corners. See if I can get out of the glaring light and be able to see it a little better. It is full of things. There's a lot of metal here that we're going to try to scrap. Okay. It comes with a bay liner, a truck, all the furnishings will be whatever's left will come with the space. The RV and a 1980 328i Beamer. Here's where we have the biggest issues. We have our skylight area there is collapsed. We have in the far back of the property here, we also have an issue. So we see the bowing here towards a little bit towards the inside. But what is really noticeable is here. So we're seeing the building pull away from the I-beam there, pulling away from the mortar, or the corner there is completely unsound. So that's an issue that's going to have to be remedied. I don't know what the city would require. Perhaps, taking it down brick by brick and then building it up brick by brick, tying it in. There might be some other remediation that's allowable, but we'd have to have a structural engineer take a look to give us some information on that. Let's see here. Yeah, just big space. It's going for $90,000. That's the list price. It may sell for more. It just depends on what, if somebody, the right buyer, is interested, and this is the property that they need and want. It's a great area. There's a lot of industrial mixed-use properties around, a lot of garages actually, and people doing auto-related repair work. So that's what we have. Happy to show anybody the property. Just let me know. For the right person, this could be a really great space for them. And happy to have it in my roster. Let me know if I can help you. Again, this is Lee O'Malley and my grungy gear today as I prep for our scrap metal people. Let me know if I can assist you in anything in buying or selling any property. We'd love to be of assistance. Again, it's Lee O'Malley. I'm with Weichert Realtors Cornerstone, and I work out of the Doylestown office primarily, but I'm a 25-year resident of Philadelphia, and I live in the Germantown neighborhood. and it's a pleasure showing you places, and hopefully you get to know me a little bit and get to know Philadelphia a little bit, and hope to get to know you one day. Take care and have a great day. Thanks so much for your time. Bye-bye.